You can get the latest Fortinet NSE4 FortiOS 7.0 NSE4_FGT-7.0 questions and answers from past question to prepare well for your exam. All the exam questions are designed on the exact pattern, so it allows you to experience as in an real exam. Question 1. Which statement about video filtering on FortiGate is true? A. Full SSL inspection is not required. B. It is available only on a proxy-based firewall policy. C. It inspects video files hosted on file-sharing services. D. Video filtering FortiGuard categories are based on web filter FortiGuard categories. Answer: B. Question 2. Which two statements are correct regarding FortiGate FSSO agentless polling mode? Choose 2. A. FortiGate points the collector agent to use a remote LDAP server. B. FortiGate uses the AD server as the collector agent. C. FortiGate uses the SMB protocol to read the event viewer logs from the DCs. D. FortiGate queries AD by using the LDAP to retrieve user group information. Answer: C, D. Question 3. An administrator has configured two-factor authentication to strengthen SSL VPN access. Which additional best practice can an administrator implement? A. Configure source IP pools. B. Configure split tunneling in tunnel mode. C. Configure different SSL VPN realms. D. Configure host check. Answer: D. Question 4. When browsing to an internal web server using a web mode SSL VPN bookmark, which IP address is used as the source of the HTTP request? A. Remote user's public IP address. B. The public IP address of the FortiGate device. C. The remote user's virtual IP address. D. The internal IP address of the FortiGate device. Answer: D. Question 5. If the services field is configured in a virtual IP (VIP), which statement is true when central NAT is used? A. The services field prevents SNAT and DNAT from being combined in the same policy. B. The services field is used when you need to bundle several VIPs into VIP groups. C. The services field removes the requirement to create multiple VIPs for different services. D. The services field prevents multiple sources of traffic from using multiple services to connect to a single computer. Answer: C. Question 6. NGFW mode allows policy-based configuration for most inspection rules. Which security profiles configuration does not change when you enable policy-based inspection? A. Web filtering. B. Antivirus. C. Web proxy. D. Application control. Answer: B. Question 7. Which three criteria can a FortiGate use to look for a matching firewall policy to process traffic? Choose 3. A. Source defined as Internet services in the firewall policy. B. Destination defined as Internet services in the firewall policy. C. Highest to lowest priority defined in the firewall policy. D. Services defined in the firewall policy. E. Lowest to highest policy ID number. Answer: A, B, D. Question 8. An administrator needs to increase network bandwidth and provide redundancy. What interface type must the administrator select to bind multiple FortiGate interfaces? A. VLAN interface. B. Software switch interface. C. Aggregate interface. D. Redundant interface. Answer: C. Question 9. A network administrator is configuring a new IPsec VPN tunnel on FortiGate. The remote peer IP address is dynamic. In addition, the remote peer does not support a dynamic DNS update service. What type of remote gateway should the administrator configure on FortiGate for the new IPsec VPN tunnel to work? A. Static IP address. B. Dial-up user. C. Dynamic DNS. D. Pre-shared key. Answer: B. Question 10. Why does FortiGate keep TCP sessions in the session table for several seconds, even after both sides, client and server, have terminated the session? A. To allow for out-of-order packets that could arrive after the FIN/ACK packets. B. To finish any inspection operations. C. To remove the NAT operation. D. To generate logs. Answer: A.